Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting updates that Microsoft has rolled out for Power BI in May 2025. From new features to performance enhancement, there is a lot to cover. So let's get started. Let me first show you the blog post and let us check the main contents. For this month, we have some updates on Copilot and AI section. We have some exciting updates in reporting section, in modeling section. Apart from this, we have some updates on data connectivity and visualization section as well. So let me discuss the main features one by one, and I will show you some demo as well. This month we need to cover so many points. Let's start with Copilot and AI section. One of the standout themes this month is around AI and Copilot improvements. Power BI is getting much smarter with a standalone Copilot experience where you can ask natural language questions about your data. Microsoft also improved language understanding behind the scenes, ensure more accurate insights. There is a new verification feature for Copilot's responses showing confidence score, and you can now mark your data model as AI ready, preparing them for richer Copilot interactions. Overall, these updates bring us closer to a hands-off conversational experience with our data. Now let's talk about some reporting updates. So this month we have exciting updates on automate report actions and data write back with Translytical task flows. This is a preview features for now. Let me show you a quick demo and also let me explain what exactly we have here. Translytical task flows are now in preview. The introduction of Translytical task flows marks a significant advancement in Power BI reporting. This new feature empowers users to take immediate action directly within reports, streamlining both decision making and operational executions. Leveraging Fabric user data function, user can now automate tasks such as record update, real-time notifications, and the initiation of workflows across external systems, all from within the Power BI interface. Here you can see I already designed a report, and I will show you how to write back in Power BI real time. So on this box we need to type what exactly we wanted to update. So here I already configure it, and if I write anything here it will update our description section. So let me write something: demo testing for write back. Now as soon as we click on this arrow, our update button will be activated, and let me select against which product name we need to update this. So I select this and I will click on update. So once I hit on update button, you can see it start the processing, and within seconds it will update the record inside our description table. So you can see against this product name our description is updated on a real time basis. Similarly, we can modify any existing record, or we can do other things as well. So the process is bit lengthy. We will post a separate video on it to show some use cases in details. Let us move to the blog post again. Now we will discuss about persisted sorting for field parameters. This is also a preview features. Let me open my Power BI file. Field parameters offer valuable flexibility for report users in Power BI, allowing dynamic selection of fields in visuals. However, a common piece of feedback has been the loss of custom sorting when switching fields through a field parameter. Users found it frustrating to reapply sorting every time a field changed. Now, sorting will persist even when the selected field changes, making the experience smoother and more intuitive. This improvement ensures your visualization remain constant and user friendly, allowing for more seamless exploration and analysis without unnecessary repetition of adjustment. So here you can see, now I select product and you can see our product is sorted by ascending order. So I have set this sorting by product. Now if I select country instead of product, so here also you can see we have the same sorting. Earlier, once we switch to different field, this sorting we need to again reapply. We have a separate video on field parameters. You can refer the same if needed. Let me move to the blog post again. This month we have some updates on visual calculations as well. Let me open my Power BI file to show you the demo. This is also a preview features. This month, two new functions, lookup and lookup with totals, join the visual calculations family in Power BI. Visual calculations make DAX easier by focusing on one visual at a time. These new functions let you retrieve values from a visual metric using absolute positioning with filters applied. So you can see I had two calculations, look up a value with context and look up a value with context total. Let me show you how I create those. So we all know how to create visual calculation. So we need to select the visual, then we need to click on visual calculation and select the function that we want to apply. So here in the first formula I have applied lookup a value with context. Here I call lookup formula and I am performing sum of profit, and then I call product and I select value product. So here you can see for this product this total is looked up everywhere, but you can see the total is different. But here with totals it will applied everywhere. The functions need to be write in similar fashion. This is the function for totals. You can simply apply this in your visual calculation and test it. We have a separate video on visual calculations as well. If needed, you can refer the same. Now let us discuss another features. List slicer. Updates to the new list slicer. Still now this is a preview feature. The new list slicer introduced in October 2024 just got a major update for greater customization and control. You can now restrict selection to leaf nodes hierarchies, letting users pick up only the most specific items. You can enable this via the restrict leaf node option. So let me select this and you can see from here you can enable this option. Also, new label support, add a second row of info to each slicer items. You will find this option under callout values, and here you will find labels. So here you can see with each value we have some numbers, and in label you can drag any measure or column to show the respective values. Even if you want, here you can select the series and define the selection state, expansion state and interaction state. Also, now user will be able to select multiple values by simply copying the value which they wanted to see. So let me show you. For example, here I wanted to see Canada, and from Canada we wanted to see government segment only, and apart from this we need to see all the values for France. So let us type this either a spreadsheet or notebook, then we can copy it. We can come here, select the slicer and simply press Ctrl V. So you can see in Canada it select government, and then it select the entire France values. Let me move to the next section. Customizing line segment colors in line chart. This month Microsoft brings you the ability to format individual line segments within your line charts, just as you have been able to assign a specific color to an individual bar of a column or bar chart. You can color the segment of your line chart, allowing you to easily highlight interesting data points. You will be able to individually format both the colors and transparency of the lines and shade area, in addition to the already supported markers. So if I select the line graph and if I come here, so from here you can select the section where you want to color it differently, and then you can select the color which you want to apply here and set the transparency. Similarly, you can apply this on line, on column and bar chart as well. Let us move to the blog post again. Apart from this, in reporting section, this month we have some updates on additional base map customization option for Azure Map Visual. Also, this month we have some updates on modeling section and TMDL view enhancement as well. So if I go to TMDL view and I click on TMDL, here you can see we have new format option is available here, and we can quickly format it based on our need. Also, if we have some spelling issues, so here also it will highlight you, and from here you can easily fix it. Apart from this, they have some other significant update as well in direct link and import tables in the same semantic model, as well as we have some updates on data connectivity sections as well. With all of this, they have added some stunning visuals as well. So you can check all the other updates and you can impart this in your report. That's wrap up the Power BI updates for May 2025. I hope you are as excited as I am about these changes. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most looking forward to, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.